Have you ever had one of those amazing app ideas, a real game changer, but then you hit that wall, the coding wall? Well, today, we're not just going to talk about that wall. We're going to smash right through it. We're going to see how you can build a real working app without writing a single line of code.
I mean, really think about that for a sec. No spending months learning Python or JavaScript. No trying to figure out complicated frameworks. Just your idea, straight from your brain into a functional app. It honestly sounds like something out of science fiction, but it's happening right now.
For so many people, entrepreneurs, artists, you name it, this has been the dream for years. You've got the vision, you see the problem, you even have the solution, but the technical hurdle, it just feels like a mountain you can't climb.
And that's the classic dilemma, isn't it? It's this massive gap between your imagination and actually making something real. It stopped so many incredible ideas before they even had a chance to get started. Well, that's all about to change.
See, the solution isn't about you suddenly becoming a master coder overnight. Nope. It's about a completely new way of working, where AI does all the heavy lifting for you. We're talking about a system that uses two different AIs that work together, basically acting as your personal, on-demand development team.
So let's meet this AI team. What makes this so powerful is that it's not just one AI trying to do everything, it's a specialist duo. Think of it like this. You've got an architect who draws up the plans, and then you've got a builder who makes it happen.
And here they are. On the left, we've got our architect, Google NotebookLM. Its entire job is to think, to plan, and to create the perfect blueprint. And on the right, you've got your developer, Google Antigravity. This is the one that takes that blueprint and does all the actual building.
Okay, so let's dig into our architect AI NotebookLM. This thing is the brain of the whole operation. You can just dump all your messy notes, your half-baked feature lists, any research you've done, all of it. And it takes that chaos and turns it into a structured, professional plan. It's your strategist.
And then you've got the builder AI, Antigravity. This is your tireless software engineer. It doesn't need coffee breaks, it just needs clear instructions. And where does it get those instructions? Directly from the perfect blueprint that our architect AI just created. This is the AI that literally writes all the code.
So, how does this all actually work? What does it look like to go from a simple idea floating around in your head to a professional plan that an AI can actually build from? Let's walk through it.
It all starts with the architect, and honestly, it couldn't be easier. First, you just describe your app idea in plain English, like you were talking to a friend. Then, you can upload any documents you have. And finally, you just ask it, you prompt it to create a full plan based on everything you gave it.
And this is where it gets crazy cool. It doesn't just repeat your notes back to you, it actually thinks. It creates a complete blueprint, laying out the core features, mapping out how a user would move through the app, and even giving you ideas for the design and branding. It's a real professional-grade project plan.
Now here's the secret sauce. This is the magic that connects the architect to the builder. You don't have to figure out how to speak developer. You just ask the architect AI to do it for you. You tell it to write the perfect, detailed, technical instructions that the builder AI will need.
And just like that, your work as the planner is done. You literally just copy those perfectly written instructions and hand them over to your AI developer, Antigravity.
The second Antigravity gets that prompt, it gets right to work. But it doesn't just start coding like a maniac. First, it does what any good engineer would do. It reads the whole plan, figures out what's needed, and breaks the entire project down into a neat, step-by-step task list.
Once that to-do list is ready, the show begins. You can actually watch as it creates all the project folders, generates the HTML for the page structure, writes the CSS to make it look good, and builds the JavaScript that makes it all work. It's doing everything.
So let's just pause here for a second. During that whole process, from creating the project to writing the logic, how many lines of code did you have to write? The answer is right there. A big, beautiful 0. None. Not a single one.
Okay, so the app is built, but we're not done yet, are we? A real developer has to test their work, make changes, and then get it out into the world. Well, guess what? Your AI team handles all of that too.
Now this is a total game changer. The Builder AI actually has its own little testing assistant. This AI agent will automatically open your app, click on all the buttons, test out the forms, and make sure everything is working just right. It even sends you screenshots to prove it. This saves, hours of boring manual work.
So what if you see something you want to change? Or you have a new idea? You don't have to go digging through files of code you don't understand. You just talk to it in plain English. You want a huge new feature? Just type something like,
Add dark mode. And the process for making changes is so simple. 1. You give a command. 2. The AI intelligently reads the code it already wrote so it knows what's going on. And 3. It updates the app all by itself. It's like you're having a conversation to build your app.
And when you're finally happy with everything, when your app is perfect, it's time for launch day. The AI can package up the whole project, ready to go live on hosting platforms like Netlify or Vercel. And with just a few more clicks, your AI-built app is on the internet for everyone to see.
All right, let's just zoom out for a minute and really think about what this means. This isn't just a cool party trick. What we're looking at is a fundamental change in how we create things, how software gets built. This is a whole new workflow for creation.
So, to wrap it all up, the whole system really comes down to this amazing partnership. You have Google NotebookLM, the brain, doing all the thinking and planning, and you have Google Antigravity, the builder, taking that plan and turning it into reality, handling all the technical stuff.
When you think about it, this new way of working pretty much erases the technical barrier that stops so many people. It means the main thing standing between you and a finished product is, well, the idea itself. So that leaves us with a really exciting question. If the only limit now is your imagination, what are you going to build?